Welcome back, traders. Welcome back, guys. Thank you for tuning back in. We are back from the doctor's office, and everything is a-okay. And it looks like the market did give us that pullback that some of you were waiting for. I, for one, right now, am not 100% sure where the market may go. I have a couple of mixed feelings about what you may want to do right now. We do have a lot of imbalances in here in this range. The market may want to tap into before going lower. We did have we had a little bit of a bullish divergence here. We got the pop. Can't get above the VWAP. Does the market want to come back, grab that VWAP? 21 on the 1 minute is still currently under this 100 period, so trend is still bearish. So I'm not trying to get too overly optimistic here where the market may want to go. RTY is pumping. S&P is kind of going sideways, and so is the Dow. So right now it's kind of hard to call. I'm gonna try to find something good here. Right now the longs are not looking too bad, but like I said, it's kind of tough to call here. We may be getting a pullback into this area here, fill in these imbalances, fair value gap, whatever you guys call it. Then we may have a rollover. We're gonna see here. We're waiting. Be patient. And I'm just gonna be patient. How you guys make out? You guys green? I hope you guys are green. I hope you guys are doing all right. Did you guys take any trades here? I like the long. The long looks pretty good right now, but it's a little too late, I think. Let me see, this long was at 12, confirmed at 12:01. 12:01 would have been here. This candle would have been good to get in on. We'll see here. Yeah, bulls look like they're absorbing right now. We'll see though. Patience here. We're right up against the IB low also. For those of you guys who track that stuff. Market open, IB low. Are we gonna get rejected here? What's up, red candles? I've been getting chopped up personally. Had a great day yesterday though. Really? Yesterday was the chop session, and today you did well, huh? Lost some money from London plus more. Oof. Really, Tabiba? Did you keep trying to long this move? Oh man, I wish I was here with you guys, man. Maybe that wouldn't have happened. Well, can't be everywhere at once. We might be putting in a wedge. I might be putting in a wedge. Careful. So we know the trend is to the downside at the moment. We gave up all of that move, that whole move that we put in this morning, that pumpity pump that we all loved and watched go by this morning. I think some of you participated in it. Gave all of that back and then some. So right now we're trying to figure out, does the market want to reclaim those highs? Are we just going to go sideways until we get those Fed minutes? It was long when it was short and short when it was long. Oof. I'm so sorry to hear that. I noticed that whenever it does a breakout and not at least 3 candles, it will fake out. Yeah, that happens. They say the first move out of a wedge is usually a fake out. Okay. We could see a lot of sideways action in here, guys. It is 12 o'clock on the nose. We could see end up seeing something in here like this. All right, be patient, patience. I'm telling you, it'll pay off. And don't ever fight the trend. Right now, the trend is to the downside. So you don't see me right now trying to like, oh, I'm going to go long because we've dumped so much. The trend is to the downside on the 1 minute. And that's really kind of like what counts, is the lower time frames count the most, because most of you are trading prop firm, which means that you can't have huge stop losses. So yeah, it's good to know what the trend is doing on the 1 hour, but the 1 hour can have a bullish trend. Meanwhile, the 1 minute or the 3 minute could be bearish. So yeah, it's good to know where you are in the 1 hour. Right here, this was massive 1 hour, massive 1 hour return here, massive 1 hour candle to the upside, and then straight back down. That was pretty bad. Our 15 minute right now tells us that we could possibly be finding some support off of this initial candle here at 11:30. This 11:30 candle was very bullish and did have buyer demand in here. We just came up to it. Looks like we're respecting it. So move to the upside, not out of the picture. Okay, just keep in mind I'm still being patient here. You hate trading New York, Joey? Really? Overnight's that much better? Did you guys get hurt? Seems like a lot of people got hurt here. I'm so sorry to hear that, guys. Sorry to hear that, man. Let's see if the crew is hanging out with Hermana here. Yeah, some of the crew's hanging out with Hermana. That's really nice. I don't know if Dominique Doman is here, but I think he thinks that we were doing the Tradeify giveaway. It's Tradeify that's doing the Tradeify giveaway. I was just letting you guys know about it to give you an opportunity to win a Tradeify account. I think you might have misunderstood me there. All right, so let's see what's happening here. We're getting another push back down to this possible to this 50% of the range. That's exactly where this dotted line is. It's 50% of this range. Let me show you guys. Let's go to a 4 hour. See the highs, see the lows right here. We're right at that 50% mark. Let's go there a little bit. Dangerous territory right now. Watch it here. Yeah, really? Overnight, you get a better move. What time is overnight for you, Joey? What session? Asia session opens and closes at what time? There was a trader on here this morning, Khaled, who was trading since 3 a.m. I think that was the Asia session. There was a really nice pump on that Asia session. Let's take a look at that pump that Asia gave you guys. Let's see if we would have, this was the pump that Asia gave you guys right here. Right? Or was it? Yeah, 507. Let's see. Some pretty good pumps in here. Yeah, if you would have held that trade did really well. I mean, not every day does a trade trend. Most days trades do not trend very far, but today they did. The last few days we had huge consolidation. Today we had trend. All right, we're starting to get that tap of the 50%. Also starting to see this trend line here. 7 p.m. to 4 a.m. Then London 3 a.m. to 11:30. And that's Eastern? Or is that Chicago time? Eastern? Nice, man. 11:30 is London, yeah. London close. have to be turned into a vampire, man. Trade at night, sleep in the day. Maybe you're not trading the New York session well because you haven't got enough sleep. Maybe you need to be a little more rested. I'm not saying that's the case, but I don't know what part of the world you live in, but sometimes that may have something to do with it too. Maybe you've been in front of screens for too long. That could hurt you. Momentum's flattening out right now. That's usually what you see before you get a chop session here. Might be because it's early in the morning. Yeah, man. True. Could be overtraded, says Romano. I don't know. Some people could look at charts and not take any trades. Some people take trades like a lot in a short amount of time. Depends on how you trade. Yeah, but sometimes if you overtrade, man, you just start revenge trading. So you could start off really good, and then as you find yourself later on in the session, like Romana said, you might end up, you know, either FOMO trading or revenge trading if you didn't do so well. Or if you did really well, you might start getting too overly confident. So maybe you need to limit the amount of trades. I don't know. Only you know. You know your best. You know yourself better than anybody. I didn't even check our ATRs. What is the ATR right now? ATR is at 9. We got pretty high. We were at 14 earlier. Not bad, not bad. Okay. What time did this confirm? 12:11. She could continue to break down here. A lot of people looking at this trend line right now. Watch for the fake out here though. Could be a fake out ripper. Okay, maybe not. What's up, Zen Zen? Laughter, what's up, brother? More fun at 2 p.m.? Yeah, I think so. Dylan, what's going on? Yeah, shorts look pretty good. Let's see what happens here, though. Let's see. Yeah, this is very low momentum. Very low momentum. Let's go on live. Looks like we got some orders at 975. Market looks like it likes shorts better right now. Yeah, I might be interested in thinking about 962 as a possible area here for a short. We'll see. Is she gonna come back in with some strength here? There's always another opportunity. You guys missed the big short from the top, from the all-time high? Remember to tickle the like button, says Zen Zen, for sure. Thank you, Zen Zen. 23,115 target practice. You're long, Lafta? Lafta's a G. Lafta is a G. You're nothing but a G thing, right, Lafta? Got mixed signals right now, guys, so I'll wait. I'll wait here. Thanks, Joey. Appreciate it, guys. Yeah, hit that like. Would help out our afternoon stream here.
Order filled.
I'm going to try a quick short here with a stop right around here. I'm not looking for much, but I feel like she's going to let's see, can we get 910? Maybe. Yeah, I think we might be able to get 910. We'll see how she goes. Why am I trying to short? Because we're in a bearish downtrend and I saw some bearish absorption happening in the Renkos. And this looking so bullish, the little move back up from the breakdown of the wedge, looking really bullish right now, makes me just feel like they're possibly trying to trap bulls right now. I feel like they could come up here, grab a little liquidity right around this area here at 963 still. But I feel like ultimately she still could roll over. Just because we had such a bullish morning and everyone's trying to get back up there. We'll see. If I'm wrong here though, it's small 250 loss. We'll see. And it could very well be wrong. She could want to touch the top of the IB low again, which is sitting at 980-ish. Maybe she wants to go for the VWAP that she didn't touch earlier. All of that is very possible. If we're wrong here, we'll make it up on the next trade. Yeah, looks like we're about to get stopped out here. All right, stopped out. Let's go ahead and see if we can find something better. $12.17, put in a bullish candle. $12.17, $12.18 is not confirmed. Right back into the IB high, IB low, I mean. She's pushing. All right. Just be patient. Zara Trader, tough day for you? Man, why is everybody having such a hard day, man? I'm so sorry to hear that, guys. What's up, Greg M? Technically under the New York orb, which means short, but yes, it could change fast. Yeah, right now she just gave us a little pump here. Doesn't mean that that's the direction she has to go in. It just means that she's just decided to do one more tap here. What she does now is completely out of my hands, but we'll see if we can figure it out. Trying to get that bearish absorption again. Maybe this time she means it.
Order filled.
All right. It's looking a little better. Never traded ES before, but wondering if I should try. Not today necessarily. I would say do some back testing on the ES first before you jump in. Zenzen was down 25 bucks earlier. You're up 8 bucks now. There you go. Green is green. NQ is good, but ES is slow. Should have traded NQ. Says Czar Trader. All right, I'm short on this move. I think my idea was correct. It was just too early. If we have a breakdown here, this breakdown could lead us down to much lower. Technically still bearish, but she could still, you know, be giving these mixed signals here and give us a good old ripper. Got killed today, says Jones. Really, man? Why does everyone keep saying that? Nasdaq will get you addicted, says Laughter. I would hold off on shorts for now, says Joey. What's my entry? My entry is 976. Oh, I'm sorry. My entry was 966. I've got to stop here at 976. Risking about 195 bucks on this trade here. I think we could get that move down still. You know, maybe not, but you know, it's worth the risk here. For me, at least. Yes, I'm short right now. If you guys can see that here. I'm doing a good old Hasuni right now. I'm pulling a Hasuni short. We might make a lower high and then fall back down. Yeah, I know. Everything's possible here. Mo's back? Oh, Mo. What's up, Mo? What's my strategy? Here, I'll show you my strategy right now. My strategy is we're technically still in the downtrend on the 1 minute. We just crossed over right now. But we saw this bearish absorption here. We're under the regular VWAP. We saw this bearish absorption here. I really feel like she wants to come back down and take a little bit more to the downside because we really did work the upside already a lot. We worked the upside today. We put in a brand new all-time high. Doesn't mean we have to go straight down right now. She could chop around the VWAP for a while and just make everyone's life miserable. But I'm just hoping to see a flush from here because we did get some bearish indications here. The more they try to push this thing higher here, the more I feel like they're gonna really just let it roll over because it's continuously making it look like it's strong for people to pile in long. But
order filled.
Yeah, I just think it's not necessarily what it's gonna do. Just added another one. So let's see if we can get what we need on this here. just added to the trade here, and I'm probably going to take some risk off now that I've added. If we get the breakdown right now, then I'm definitely going to move the break even here and start taking some off. Let's see, maybe. Let's see here. Do I look at it? No, I don't. I don't look at the footprint. I mean, I don't look at the heat map. I look at order flow, and I look at manipulation. Those kinds of things I look at. I'm not saying I'm right here, guys. I could very well be wrong. I could get stopped out again and this market continue higher. I just have an idea in mind, and that's all I got right now. Just an idea. If you guys got your own ideas, please follow your own ideas. Do not follow mine. All right, looks like we are possibly going to be getting taken out here. One more sweep before the drop. That's what it's looking like. One more sweep before the drop. If not, we're wrong, and we're gonna get taken out. Looks like it wants that liquidity there bad. Chop central. Chop central. Chop central. About to get taken out here. About to get taken out. Chop central. There was a seller in here earlier. I hope that seller's still there. Help us out here big time. Or you guys aren't even watching. Here you go. You guys can watch my stop out. Yeah, I stopped out. It's going to drop now. It's going to drop now. Watch the drop. After sweeping this, is going to drop.
Order filled. Order filled.
What's going on, yo, Jim? Think another spike to the upside here will blow away my frustration? Yeah, it might happen. Right to VWAP here. All right, so we have a bullish crossover here. So the this was the signal there to get long. this point, I don't know what she does here. What's going on, Team Crypto? Thanks for stopping in, brother. Just gotta follow the Renkos here. Whatever the Renkos say, that's what I gotta do. I don't know why I was thinking shorts there, but I was. All right, we got the breakout right now of the top trend line. We got the breakout. Yeah, baby. Yours, because yours has 2 underneath it because you missed you missed yesterday, and that one's today's. Okay. Oh, thanks, man. I appreciate that. Yo, Jim says, second Apex payout this morning, green in 4 evals, only red in 2. Good. It's a good day. It is a good day. That is a great day, man. Thank the Lord. Gifted King says, good morning, Smooth. I downloaded OBS finally and screen recorded my first trade. Got to improve my sound, though. Could you do a video on setting the OBS to help us newbies out on a day? There's a million YouTube videos on how to set up your OBS, brother. If I did one, I'd probably be doing you a disservice because I'm not really an expert. I don't remember exactly how I did mine, but there's a million of them. Good morning to all of you. Good afternoon now. Yeah, yo, Jim, that's incredible, man. That's great to hear, man. That gives me inspiration as well. Yeah, market's getting really pumpy here.
Order filled.
I think she might go to VWAP. Could go to VWAP.
Order filled.
She's getting pumpy. I'm not at anything at the moment. I wanted to get in long there, but I think I'm a little bit too late to it. I got in and out real quick because I suspect that she's gonna chop around here before hitting that VWAP. I'm gonna wait a little bit. Thanks, yo, Jim. I passed the Bulenox eval. Oh, that's what's up, KD. Thanks to you guys. Waiting on email confirmation. Keep up the good work. Yeah. Yeah, there's no rush to get in. There's not really, I suspect this week to be the best week for trading. Next week, though, could be a very, very good week. We've got some major catalysts next week. You guys may want to pick up some of those Bulenox evals this week to try to pass on the news next Wednesday. Next Wednesday, I think we're going to have big news. Let's see. Let's look at the calendar for next week. Yeah, it looks like next Wednesday we have 8:30 we're going to have core PPI. 9:30 we're going to have unemployment. Thursday we're going to have core retail sales and unemployment claims. Tuesday we're going to have CPI, core CPI, Tuesday at 8:30. So next week could be a really good week to pass evals. So I would load up on some of those Bulenox. I did last night myself. I picked up an additional 10 to have ready. Up 500, protected profit in 3K. Laughed as a beast. Joey, can you trade the news on TopStep? I don't know. I think you can trade news on the eval, not on the what's it called? Not on the funded side, I don't think. Khan says, how much is Bulenox, the 150K? Let's check it out, and we'll see right now. Let's check out our good old prop for a matrix here. So you say the Bulenox 150K. If we go to Bulenox 150K with the trailing drawdown, that would be $29 for the eval, but the activation fee is $498. I would not go with Bulenox for anything other than the 50Ks, guys. With the 50Ks, they're really good, but anything above that is really not worth it. So that's why this matrix is really good. So if you want the best deal on a 150, let's do the 150. Let's do the 150 here across the board. Sorry, it's 100. 150, 150. Take profit trader, 150. Tradeday, 150. And Tradeify, we'll do the 150 on Tradeify. We'll do the end of day drawdown on Tradeify. I think it's a better deal. So right now, if you were to look for a 150 right now, your best deal is Tradeify's end of day drawdown, $169. Trade day comes in a close second at 180 with no activation fee. Tradeify also has no activation fee on this. It's 50% on one-time use. So this is only one-time use. After that, then Tradeday becomes your best deal here at for a 150. If you guys want to play around with this matrix, check out the chat. It should be a link in there popping up any minute now. I have it rotating for you guys every 15 minutes or so. That's the best deal right now on the prop firms, on the 150s. You don't like intraday trailing drawdown? Then try Tradeify's end of day. That's a really good deal right now then. Joey says you can trade news on TopStep, it's just not recommended. Really? I'm surprised. I would have thought that they would not allow that. I'm gonna try the short again. Could end up getting wrecked, but hey, it's only one way to go out, man. That's with a bang. You gotta go out with a bang, baby. I'll probably add to the short too, if we start going in my direction that I think we might go in. More than likely, I'll probably get stopped out though. It's probably what's gonna happen. So I think I'm gonna take quick profits on this here. Probably start trailing it. Let's see if we can break the 21. Can we break the 21? We got a bearish indication right now, so it might go for a 1-to-1. $13.26 points would have us somewhere around 962. 962. Let's see if we can get this. More than likely we're not gonna, because we're in a bullish trend right now. Let's see if we get a pull down into this area. I accidentally got 2.5%, 250. Oh, you can get as many accounts as you want with a 50% discount, but I think you can only do it once. They have some big boys on the offer above. Yeah, maybe they're pushing it down. Yeah, Lafta says you can trade your own funds too. It's a good way to do it. What's up, Gabe? Where do we go to across the chart that compares charts? Where do we go to get access? Check out the link here in the Discord. I know it posted here recently. I'll probably get stopped here. I knew that it was probably going to come back. Here we go. It's right here. Yeah, I just posted it again for you. Just posted it. Smooth, you just went live? I went live at 12 o'clock. I'm going to take this off because I don't have much drawdown and I don't want to get stopped out by a tick. So if this account blows, I don't want it to. I don't want to end up getting stopped out right here and then it goes in my favor. So I'm just gonna let it. Just gonna let it blow. I only have about $150 left on this account anyway. So if this eval blows, it was left over from yesterday's wreckage. Yesterday's wreckage. Yeah, I don't know why I'm bearish right now. I just am. I should be bullish. I just don't know. I can't answer that question for you. More than likely, I'm going to get spanked right now because I should be bullish. The market is bullish. And there she goes. Should be buying this up instead of trying to short it. Counter trend trading right now. Not recommended at all. Not recommended. Not good for your heart. You almost never know, bro. ES still weak, just below VWAP. Yeah, I know. You just never know with the NQ. But she is reaching for something at the moment. I don't know if that was the VWAP, which we just hit, or if she's just is she going to continue going higher? I don't know. We'll see. We will see. Come on, eval, don't blow, baby. Come down. So she's still trying to rip higher. She's even gapping up. Yeah. Big offer sitting at 316 at 23.16. Yeah, I hope it it gives me a little room to get out of this trade first. I just brought a TPT 25K account back from $70 left in drawdown to break even. Nice, Risk Girl Mel. Now I'm hoping to make the profit goal in the next 2 or 3 days. Great job. Just opened my first Tradeify account using your code. Oh, thank you, man. I appreciate it, yo, Jim. That really helps the team, brother. Especially on a day like this when looks like this market's not cooperating with this account. Maybe we still have a chance. Maybe we have a chance here. This is one of my Tradeday accounts, which is not ideally the way I wanted to start this one. It seems like when it comes to Tradeday and TPT, I always have a hard time passing their evals. I have no idea why. It's like a jinx. I'm like jinxed. Yeah, we're grazing by the skin of our teeth here. We're floating around about $100 in drawdown left. Does the 1% rule apply on Bulenox? What's the 1% rule? Yeah, I passed. Rich Girl Mel actually passed it once, but I didn't know about the consistency rule. So I actually had to trade up to 4,000 instead of 3,000, and that's when I ended up wrecking it. Yeah, it's hard. I mean, the TPT and the Trade Day challenge is not easy, but if you can pass it, you got yourself a money printer. That's the thing. The challenge, it's more like the challenge is up front, but once you can pass that hurdle, you got yourself something good. Just don't get all weirded out and yeah, we're done. All right, we're done. We're done with that one. All right, we're done with that one. All right, let's see if we can get a good trade going this time, not a bad trade. Still have a chance. 2% per trade. Some prop firms limit you to 1 to 2% per trade, or it's a hard breach. No, I don't think we have any of those. I don't think we do any of those. The ones we use don't have any of those. Tomorrow I can finally pass my trade day 50K after they increased my profit target. Oh man, Patrick. Yeah, that's crazy. Yeah, you did make a lot of money that day. All right, this thing's ripping now. Got above the VWAP. I feel like I should be that way. The eval should have more rules than you can pass and you can get good rules. Yeah. Yeah, that's really, I think it's ideal. Man, I wish I would have got long down here. I really do. Instead of trying to short this move, this was the opportunity I was looking for, was to get long here. I don't know why. I went against my own rules. My own rules are like, okay, we get the crossover. We get the first indication here that we have a, it couldn't have gotten any easier. It could not have gotten any easier. Literally could not have gotten any easier. This long was literally delivered to me on a platter. Yeah, that was a long signal. That's exactly my long signal. And I'm over here shorting it, thinking I know better. I saw this bullish indication. I'm like, oh yeah, they want to come down. Yeah, hindsight, once again. Hindsight, baby. Self-sabotaging programming, yes. Zen, that does happen. Remember you said when you took the short something like, if I'm going to go down, it's going to go down big? Yeah, I know. All right, let's wipe the slate clean, move on. That was not a pleasant feeling what I just did there. Fighting the trend like a dummy. It's like gold's been rocketing up too. Gold's been moving up with the market. Gold's looking really good. Wow. All right. Just do the opposite of my bias above? No, usually my bias is correct. I screwed up this morning. I screwed up this afternoon here. Khan said he posted a chart. I will. I talked about full porting short and then it went down 100 points. Yeah, I wasn't here for that. Gold breaks my heart every time I give her a try. But I'm going to do this Apex 50K with gold. Okay, rich girl. I'm determined to master her. There you go. Welcome to the club, Sister Biba. Yeah, it's a club that we do not want to belong to. All right, let's see what's up here. Okay, guys, I just got a message from someone here. I'm not sure who the person is on Discord. Their name is Kuni, Kuoniy. And they said that they got a 41% off Bulenox. You have to use the code Smooth Trader. I'm not sure what code you're using. You might be using the Smooth Trader 45. Do not use that one. All right. Hopefully he understands. Hopefully he's not picking the wrong thing. Market's still ripping here. Higher. Good job, market. That's UKD? Okay. You said 100K on Bulenox, not worth it, right? The only thing that's worth it on the Bulenox is the 50K's trailing drawdown, in my opinion. Patrick, take a look at this. Take a look at the sheet right here. I'll post it here again. Play around with it yourself, compare them, and you can see which one is the best. Good job, Drewski. Your power nap seems to work out. What time frame am I on? I'm on a 1 minute right now. I'm on a 1 minute. And she looks really good. Let's see how much farther she's gonna go. She's gonna go grab these imbalances. There's a ton of imbalances in here. It's funny how sometimes you catch yourself doing something and you're like, don't even realize that you're doing it. Like, the hell did I just do? Like, who was in control? Why would you short an uptrend? Why would you short this? All right, that's it. That's the last time. Yeah, so it looks like the market may want to come up into this area, grab them imbalances, and do something up there. Oh, thanks, Jose. I really appreciate it. Yeah, TPT does definitely give a decent commission. I'm not sure. I haven't really checked theirs out yet, but I know a lot of YouTubers, they like pushing TPT for that reason. Thank you. I really appreciate that, Jose. Just closed my long. Took a 1-to-1 up on the green. That's good, D3. The Bulenox 50K is $16. Yeah, it's $15.75 for the eval only. The activation is $148. So keep that in mind. Can't wait for my payout later on this afternoon. Oh man, Drewski, definitely post that in the Discord once you get it, man. I'm so happy for you, brother. I think I'm due for one of those too. I got one from Bulenox last month. I got to get one this month, man. I really do. I got to get on the ball here. Let's see if I can focus in and hone on something good here. Moses has a payout verification service. There's a divergence on Delta. I'm short at 07. There's a divergence on the Delta, huh? I got the fake Delta here. Let's see. What are you reading what are you using to read the Delta? Are you using NinjaTrader or are you using something else? There's definitely a divergence on momentum, that's for sure. Oh, you're using it on Quant Tower? Yeah, Quant Tower is a good platform for sure. Very nice. You're in a couple bucks of profit right now. This looks pretty good. Yeah, I see the divergence. Divergences on their own sometimes are rough to play. You got to be in a good spot right here after crossing over the VWAP. A lot of times it does want to come back and retest that VWAP. Taking profits already? Or are you letting it run? The swing at 1046 versus the current one? Let me see. So yeah, Delta, can you drop that in, would you be able to take a screenshot and drop that in the Discord? I'd love to see that. I don't have Quant Tower, but I would love to see your CVD on a different platform. Want to see AT? Oh, you have Addis? Yeah, Addis is cool too. I used to have Exo charts. I might end up going back to one of those for the real Delta. Yeah, post it. I would love to see it. What's the difference between option 1 and option 2 on Bulenox? Option 1 is trailing drawdown. Option 2 is end of day drawdown, I believe. Jose says you're still not able to join the Discord. Try joining with your phone instead of your computer. A lot of people have complained about not being able to join, and then when they do it on their phone, they're able to join. Yeah, I can try to add you. Yeah, I missed the short here. Let me send you an invitation. I can't find you. Yeah, I don't know how to do that, man. I'm sorry. I'm trying to add you, but it won't let me. Try doing it from your phone. I know a lot of people have had that problem before. They do it with their phone and then they're able to get on. Market's moving now. I took the short here. $27. Main chat. Let me see. Oh, I see. Vegan King. Thank you for posting that. Okay, so Vegan King has a divergence here from this swing to this swing here on the delta, which means the delta is getting weaker as price is getting higher. A lot of times that leads to a failure here of price. Beautiful call on that. Beautiful call on that. Let's see. I think we have one here from Khan. Khan's using Addis. Yours is looking a little different here because you don't have it spread out as far. You're using the footprint chart in here. Very nice setup though. Very nice setup. I like the way you're doing delta in here. Yeah, I may have to step it up and get myself a. Do you like Addis? Do you like Addis better than Exo charts? I heard Addis is really good. It would just be for delta though. That's the thing. It would just be for delta. See what else we got. Khan here called out this level at 63.12 on the ES. Beautiful call. Romana here is looking at the NVIDIA chart here, looking like it's wanting to break that VWAP. I don't know if it ever did. That was earlier today. Yeah, guys, make sure you join that Discord. There's a lot of great insight in there. Amazing insight. So we got that breakdown. Let's see if she continues. I think we can get that breakdown. Is that, yeah, I used to use it for crypto. They don't allow you to use it for anything else but crypto. If that's the case, then I might do Addis. What's the bias in the Discord? I don't know. I'm thinking this thing is going to come down a bit here because we had a very aggressive push away from these buyers up here. Very aggressive. You know, you get buyers very bullish up here, and then you move away from them this quickly. Looks to me like they're trying to trap. I could be wrong, but it looks to me like they're trying to trap. And by the signs of the delta divergence that you guys just posted, it looks very likely that that's what that was. Con thinks we go lower. I got a TP at 927. That would be nice for me. The only thing that I don't like about Quantower is that kind of expensive compared to other platforms. How much are you paying for Quantower? If you look at the high time frames, you'd see huge wick rejection. Couldn't break about the weekly high. Or you're looking on the daily? Yeah, it's pretty nasty. It's pretty nasty too. 30-minute right now looking somewhat still strong. Got this absorption candle here on a 5-minute. Let's see if it continues to the downside with it. Right now she's pumping. Come on, right back up. Right back up. Testing that VWAP again. What is a rhythmic, and must you be a user on Bulenox? Rhythmic is a kind of feed that you use on certain trading platforms, but it's not necessary. You don't need to use it. You do need to have a software for it, like a trading platform like Quantower or MotiveWave. So you're paying $50 for Quantower, $420 yearly. Yeah, somewhat still strong, still a previous day high. So it's created when? I mean, qualification. I don't know what I'm kind of lost on your question, D3 or Ninja Trader. Yeah, that's another one you can use for rhythmic. D3, can you explain your question a little bit better? I don't know if I'm following you. You pay $110 a month for Addis? Yeah, Addis is pretty serious. Addis is like real professional grade trading platform. You take your trades right on there. It has it runs rhythmic. Your Addis, I think it does, right? It looks like it wants to continue going higher to grab those imbalances all the way up here. I think she wants to go grab these imbalances up here. I don't know. But if she doesn't, then we probably are going to see much lower here. You don't like trading from Addis? You trade on Ninja, but you just watch Addis? Oh, she bounced right from that level. And we're out of our shorts. As it probably will reverse now. E-signal? Yeah. I remember them. There you go. Oh, okay. You're good to go then, D3. I gotcha. Which one do I like better between Ninja and Tradeday? I don't have Ninja, so Tradeday I would say. I mean, if I had Ninja, I probably would like that better, but I run a Mac, so it's hard for me to have Ninja Trader. The only thing I can run is MotiveWave on a Mac. Unless I start running things like parallels and stuff like that. TopStep loves X. That's hilarious. OG Black Superman, what do you mean you don't understand futures? You don't understand how to trade them, or you don't understand what they are? If you don't understand what they are, a simple ChatGPT or Grok query will answer that. But do you mean you don't know how to trade them? All right, we're right at the VWAP. We're hands off the mouse for now. 2 o'clock's right around the corner. We should get some good trading around there. Lafta says futures print like crypto stock. Crypto stocks. How to trade them? Well, first of all, you can trade them one of two ways. You can trade them with your own money, or you can trade them with a prop firm. Whichever one you like better. With your own money, it's going to be obviously a little bit more risky, but you can take payouts daily. So keep that in mind. If you want to trade them with a prop firm, you can start with as little as $15 for evaluation with Bulenox, right? So what you get, once you get your account settled in, the way to trade futures, first of all, you got to have some understanding or have a strategy in place. I recommend you do some paper trading before firing off any trades with prop firms. Have a strategy. Open up an account on TradingView and open up a demo account. And with the demo account, you could learn how to put together a strategy that should be at least 50 to 60% successful. Do that for a few months, and once you have, you learn how to buy and sell. Because really all you're doing is you're buying and selling. You're trying to buy low and sell high, or buy high and sell higher, or sell low and sell lower. You know, that's basically all you're trying to do. But the thing is, the market doesn't move the way you think it's going to move because it does a lot of manipulation. Like, you just never know. Like this, like, oh, the market's dumping. Let's go short. And then the market comes back. You know, you got to be patient, wait for pullbacks. It's just working on your patience, working on your timing. That's what trading's all about. Trading's not about, always being right. It's about being okay with a loss and being okay with less profit than what you initially thought. You know, that's kind of what you have to think. Futures are just the same thing as when you go into a casino. Yeah, it's kind of like a casino. I would say you're not off. You're not too far off in saying that. All right, let's see what this market wants to do here. I think she may want to finally come back down a little bit here. Who knows? We got that fake out here to the upside. Another fake pump. We'll see. We got that news coming in pretty soon at 2 p.m. Price will probably want to hover around the VWAP. Till then, I don't know. We'll see. Yeah, you can hang out here in the stream, Superman, and you'll learn a lot here. Risk management is super important. That's true. That's very true. Can't get any more important than risk management. If we get some follow through here, it might be likely for us to come and retest the this area around here. The overnight high was at 956. We do have that 50% mark here at 948 as well. We getting a higher low. Another higher low possibly here. Another higher low. No worries, OG. I'm Black Superman. Joey's in shorts. Also join the Discord. Ask away in there. There's so many people there. You can always, anybody, if you ever have a question, somebody will answer. There's always somebody in there. What's up, baby? Yeah, you can use this one for now. Oh, wait, this is not going to work for you, right?
I have a portable charger, so I can charge the portable charger charging my phone.
So this will work for you? Okay, try that. Throw that Tory trend line in? Yeah, you're right. Just trying to do this again. She's doing it again, guys. She's doing it again. Never stops. Never stops. Wants to hang out with the VWAP all day. Tori's uncle proud of that line? Yeah, for sure, Nintendo. Let's see what I end up doing here. More upside. Crazy. Crazy, crazy. They're just pushing it here. Trying to run these stops here. Possible more upside. That's all she wants. She wants higher prices here. Yeah, she's looking strong. What kind of price action is this, man? What does she want? What do you want, woman? I'm watching the 1 minute right now. So I'm just looking at the structure here. Looking at the structure. Chop suey, yeah. Hold those shorts, says Joey. Oh, don't worry, buddy. I am. I am. Holding the shorts for dear life. Come on, shorts. Don't let me down, baby. $22,937 is your target. Wow, that far? Wow, what the heck was that? I think I bought up quicker than I don't know what. What is going on? Are we starting this pre-Fed minute shenanigans? Are we starting it? The pre-Fed price action? Pre-Fed price action, baby. Can't beat that. 2 o'clock, 2 p.m. Yeah, I'm looking to put 900 bucks on my trade day today. We'll see if we can do that. That's my goal for this account today. Looks like they're trying to keep that price very close to the VWAP though. I don't know how far down we'll get. I would think between a VWAP and a 50% of the range, which we have right around 950. Maybe between 950 to 23,000. A 50-point range seems about right. Seems about right. It could keep us in a range. These wicks are killing everybody? Yeah, this is horrible trading right now. Yeah, with the news, the price can go either way. Yeah, they can. Price can absolutely go either way. Joey wants me to hold the shorts though. You gotta listen to Joey, man. When's the last time you went wrong listening to Joey, guys? It can go either way, but won't go sideways, right? Yeah, it'll go sideways. It definitely does go sideways many, many, many times. It's almost as if the market knows. You guys ever get that feeling that the market knows where you have your stop? It just knows. How does it know? It can't be possible for it to know. The shadow knows. During the Fed news. I'm getting out of 22,960, says Joey. Oh, thanks, Joey. Paper handing me, huh? Don't be paper handing, Joey. Because everybody has a stop where you have it. So you should put your entries where your stops are. The algo definitely knows the psychology of traders. It's math, basic math. I am long in Q and ES. It looks like it's going back to 6,300. Yeah, it could be. Could be. Right now, it looks like the market is much stronger. Much stronger. Breaking out. Breaking out, Cub Scout. Look at that. Right into that VWAP. She'll probably break the VWAP though. She probably will. Oh, look at the strength. Joey set me up for failure. No, Joey, why, Joey? What did I ever do to you? Market's dumb strong right now. There's one Chinese person per trader that keeps tabs on everyone's positions. Yeah, that's what it is. It has to be. Catchphrase from the radio drama The Shadow, which features a chapter from Lamont Cranston, who uses its powers to fight crime. I didn't know that, Laughter. That's pretty cool. I'm holding strong, says Joey. Yeah, I don't know how much longer I'll be able to hold, because I don't know how much longer my account might actually persevere here. Just try and get everyone. Everybody gets to stop out. You get to stop out, and you get to stop out. Everybody gets to stop out. I bet you don't know where that's from, Laughter. I bet you don't know where that's from. You get to stop out. And you get to stop out. Holding. If we can break this IB, I think this is the IB low. If we can break this IB low here, then we're looking much better for this short. But right now it looks like it's holding pretty well. What a Chop Fest 2025 here. Get your tickets to Chop Fest 2025, guys. Everybody who is anybody will be there. Anybody who's anybody will be there. That's what I'm trying to say. We have performances by Mo Lester. Performances by Laughter the Kid. Performances by Joey, telling us to go long and short. Mostly short though. Jabbar Powell will be there too. Jabbar Powell calling out calls, calling out trades. Come on, baby. Dump it. Dump it, baby. Got a 1,200 payout finally. Good job, Rigoberto. That's beautiful, man. I'm doing good, Rigoberto. How about you, bro? Hope you're doing good. 40% on MFF. Resets code. NQ, guys. Top G Smooth headliner. Yeah, Top G. Agos are making bank. Yeah, they're crushing it right now. See if we can get this breakdown, man. That'd be nice if we get this breakdown. Well, for me at least, not for anybody who's long. I don't even know why I'm short, to be honest with you. I really don't even know why I'm short. Yeah, they're chopping the heck out of this price range. After FOMC, we'll have a huge breakout. Yeah, we're going to have some good trading after the FOMC. So I think I'm going to get out of this trade as soon as I'm in the green here. Let's see if I can get out of it. See if the market doesn't want to go to the downside. Right now, she's just going to chop, 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 chop. That's what it looks like. There's a song by Lenny Kravitz called "Are You Gonna Go My Way?" That was written for the NQ. And there's like an invisible force field that's holding this price up above 980. It's crazy. Spooky. Unbelievable. It's that Chinese person that's watching my trade. Oh, yeah, sure. Yeah, I'm about to get out of it anyway, so I don't know how much longer you guys are going to see this for. Come on, girl. Oh, man. Stop this nonsense. Go, 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 so I can set my stop. Oh my god, are you kidding me right now? Are you serial? Yep, she's serial. Go. Go. Come on. Dump it. Dump it. Dump it. Dump it. Dump it. Here you go, baby. Just dump it. Just dump it. Just dump it, baby. Dump it for me one more time. Come on, girl. Frustrating, frustrating, frustrating. More likely she's gonna give a face ripper to the upside. Ethereum is 13K price target by the end of the bull cycle. Wow, really? Trump speaking right now? Oh, smack me upside the head. This thing's probably gonna run up like 500 points right now. There we go. Oh, can you at least drop like 5 points so I can set my stop at break even? Like, what are you doing? What the heck is this, man? This account's about to get blown too. This account's about to see night-night. Because look at all this liquidity is stacked right here. All this liquidity is stacked right here. It's begging for a stop loss there so I can just grab it and then drop it. I'm just trying to get out of this thing. Get out of here, man. Yeah, once AOC is president, we'll have a much better market. Trump needs a better hobby, says D3. Ay, 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 Trump. Dump it, Trump. Dump this sucker, Trump. Dump it, Trump. Say that you're not going to make deals with anyone. Tell them that Canada is not worth making deals with. Canadians don't have anything to give us. All they got is ice. We can make our own ice in laboratories here. She's about to rip, guys. She's about to rip it so hard like she's never ripped before. I'm telling you. I can feel it in my bony jeans. Yeah, I'm about to say rip Van Winkle to this one. Man, this thing comes back for me. Oh man. All right, here we go. Take the stops and come down, baby. Come on, take the stops and come right back down. All right, you grab the stops, come right back down. Come right back down. AOC will make Miami Cuba again. Higher lows. Be nice to Canadians, says Imrana. Yeah, Canadians have all that good ice. Alright, looks like we're about to get stopped here. The account's about to get stopped, I should say. Yeah, it looks like she's gonna start squeezing now. She's a squeezer. I'm out of here. This account's gonna be blown here in 1 second. on, baby. There we go. Come on. You grabbed the liquidity. You did what you had to do. You did your dirty work already. You did your dirty work. Joey said, I'm scared. You got me into this, Joey. You got to get me out of it. I'm short 995. Nancy P. Is this funded or eval? This is an eval. I wouldn't be doing this with a funded. I'm just trying to get 900 on the board for today. I'm trying to get 900 on the board. That way I hit my max daily profit. But I knew there was going to be a liquidity grab up here. I'm hoping that's all this is. I'm hoping it comes back to the range. Because this is annoying. This is very annoying. Call Tori to collect. Tori. There's no trend line that can hold this back, Tori. Let's see if we can use Tori's line. Come on, Tori. Hold it back. Hold it back, Tori. Come on, Tori. Hold that sucker back. We gotta try everything, guys. We gotta try everything. Where's the magnet? Oh no, if I don't get the magnet in time. Here we go. Come on. It's working. Get the hammer. I'm about to get the rocket ship coming back down. Come on, man. Come on, Tori. Come on, Tori. Hold it, baby. Hold that sucker, Tori. We don't need price so high. We need price back down here. Come on, Joey. Come on, Joey. Put some more sales in, Joey. I know you're moving this market. Put some more sales in. Short this market, Joey. Imagine Tori had it. You're funny. Team Crypto. I'm not gonna repeat that. How many Sims will get wrecked? I'll probably be one of them. Full porting shorts. Yeah, exactly. That's the only way to go. It's the only way to make it in life. Full porting these shorts. Yeah, I don't know. She ain't looking so hot right now. We only got about 400 doll hairs left in drawdown here, so we're hoping that we can get a swift little kick in the butt to the downside. Tori, don't let me down. Don't let me down. You don't let me down. Come on, Tori, fight those buyers. Kick those bulls in the face. Tori never stopped trading, dude. It's in her blood. I gotta start selling magnets, yeah. Get your smooth magnet, guys. Why they last? Top gene trading. That's funny. Yeah, I definitely would not be doing this in a funded account. As a matter of fact, I haven't even traded my funded accounts all week. I'm hoping to start trading them maybe tomorrow. Today I knew I was going to have like a split day, so I didn't want to like force any trades. Yeah, this is excruciating to watch here. Excruciating. Yeah, I'm about to get wrecked here. Market's about to rip me a new one. Tori let me down. Tori let me down. Or did she? Maybe she's still in it. Maybe we're still in it. Maybe we're still in it, Tori. Come on, Tori. Maybe I could put the magnet closer. Yeah, I know. This is squeeze central. This is short squeeze central. Your hammer isn't working. You put the hammer on. Yeah, this is dumb. You know why? You know why it's doing this, right? Because when the news comes out, it's gonna drop like 300 points. So it's prepping everyone to stay bullish right now. And then when the news comes out, it's gonna drop so heavy, so heavy. Epic day today, says Ali. Trump meets Netanyahu at White House. Bill wants to know if anybody's seen some odd stuff on Tradeday. My accounts aren't showing up in Tradeday. Wow, that's weird. Maybe to find out your copy trading ICT's account. Come on, baby. I'm just kidding, Bill. Laughter still holding his long. That didn't sound right, but yeah, Laughter. You go get those longs, baby. Our new Tory trend line is working. All I had to do was move the magnet closer. Let me move the magnet down a little bit. MJH? Who's MJH? What max loss can terminate the account? My max loss right now would be at 48,252. I'm at 49K right now. So we were close to getting our account closed up here. I'm hoping that we get a continuation here. Did I move the magnet too far? Okay. Easy as that, guys. Easy as that. All you have to do is pull out the magnet. Tory trend trade line. Tory trades trend line. That's it. Oh man, that's all I had to do. I should have done that from back here. Use the magnet. Come on, magnet. Don't you do me dirty like that, magnet. Don't you do me dirty. Come on, magnet. Come on, magnet. Oh, you so juicy, magnet. Come on, baby. Don't be letting me down like that. Don't you start getting all weird on me now. Push that price action, baby. What's up, Mad Moxie? Check out Discord, says Raul. Did you post a picture of your Lambo? Where did you post? Where did you post it? You gotta tell me what channel you posted, Raul. Tory trades trend lines for the win, says Mad Moxie. Trump, go, 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 go. Joey's still holding his shorts, baby. Donnie's still speaking. Oh, yeah. Main chat? Oh, I don't see anything. Are you Vegan King? You're not Vegan King, are you? The heck is going on here? Is the magnet not working again? See, I told you that the little Chinese guy's watching the stream and he's making sure that I don't get what I need. So you're seeing, looks like Vegan King is seeing a divergence here on that last run up on the delta again. Said I would explain this short, if that's what you're referring to. So we're getting a little pushy push here, a little pushy push. Come on, come on, come on. It's gonna blow your account and then dump. Imagine if it did that. I think it would. I think it would. The little Chinese guy. Yeah, Vegan King. Yeah, Vegan King. Yeah, that's a good divergence call there. Another good divergence call. Trump is like vibes, cartel when it speaks. Oh, the bounce got me. Oh, here we go. Come on, magnet. Come on, magnet. We can make $15 or we can go for the gusto, baby. Come on. Don't tell me you're going to give me $15 after all that. After all that. Come on. Dump it like Trump wants you to dump it, baby. Come on. Go, 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 go. Go. Do not even think about it. Don't even think about it. Come on. Push it. Push. Push. I got to work the magnet. Work the magnet. Work the magnet. The magnet. Push, baby. Push. 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 No, you're pushing the wrong way. Pushing the wrong way. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, baby. Push that sucker down, baby. Is the magnet not working? Oh, come on. Would you ever, can we ever get a break? Can we ever get a break? Someone said it was the Chinese guy. Someone in the chat says there's a Chinese guy that watches. Everybody is assigned one Chinese guy, and they watch your trade, and they go and they run your stop. I thought that was funny. You probably could use a random Guatemalan too, but you could probably use a Guatemalan. It's coming back down, says Joey. No disrespect, Eddie Chen. It could very easily be an Indian or a Canadian or a Guatemalan. Someone in the chat just said it happened to be a Chinese guy. I thought that was funny. Oh, man. All right. Let's see what we got here, guys. Better luck next time, she said. Better luck next time. And a wick on that thing. I know you're playing. I know you're playing. You captured that whole wick to the downside, Selection World? Man, you should have told me to get out. I don't have anything against Chinese guys. I love Chinese guys. They're my favorite. Tori never let me down before. I added another hammer. Joking for the record, says Team Crypto. Canadians will sweep others' trays. We call it hockey sticking them. Guatemalan Chinese from Gualang. There you go, Jose. That's what it is. You know there's Chinese people in Guatemala, and they speak better Spanish than me. Tori's uncle. Yeah, it could be Tori's uncle. It's up to this nonsense here. Yeah, so I'm gonna chill out here, guys. We'll wait till 2 o'clock. Yeah, I got a break. My account didn't blow. It literally missed getting blown by like $100. What's up, Aston? So I'm grateful for that. I'm grateful for that. I don't even think this thing cares about Tori's line anymore at this point. She's just going to range here around the VWAP till we get the news. I mean, that's basically what she's going to do. Yeah, I should have probably stacked my TPs there. But I was looking for that sweep down to 960 to get a full 900 on the day. Wishful thinking, I know. Amazon Prime Day sales fall 41% on the first day. Wow, that's not good. What's going on? Benjamin, you in the bathroom? I don't think I am. Magnets don't work on hockey sticks, says Mo Lester. Team Crypto said, wow. Yeah, I know, man. Careful, Joey. I don't want to see you go the way of the dodo bird. I don't know if Tori's line's gonna do anything for you, man, but I'll put it for you. I don't even think the IB low is doing anything for us anymore here. It's just in the way. I'm gonna take it out of here. So we're in a holding pattern here until we get the news at 2. Jeff B sold off. Jeff Beezy. Gold's looking kind of dumpy, guys. Have you been looking at gold? Obviously, she could reverse that once the news comes, but we'll see. All right, we'll be patient. I'll take my chances, says Joey. What's going on, Allah? How's the market treating you today? Pretty good. We have one account that we lost today, but I started. Whoa, good job, Joey. Good job holding that sucker, baby. Look at that, man. Right to my TP. Imagine. Doing pretty good. I lost an account. I lost an eval account this morning or this afternoon when I got back because I only had a couple $100 left on it. I did really bad trading yesterday, and that's one of the accounts that was affected by it. So I lost one account, but I'm green on 3 others. I'm green on these, $368 a piece. I copy traded 3 of them this morning on Bulenox, and I'm down a little bit on this account right now, but I saved it from being mutilated. Damn, Joey, she keeps playing us here, babe. Brother, she keeps playing us here at this bottom of 966. So yeah, one account, one eval lost, one eval down $400, and 3 evals green about $400. So that's how my day's going so far. Aggressive stock buying here, yeah. Yeah, that is true. Jeff Bezos does look like the old school Lex Luthor. You guys remember that? Some people here may not have been around back then. Nintendo's watching gold. Yeah, low of LOL. The magnet won. The magnet's winning. I'm down for the day a little bit. Yeah, a little bit. My Chinese dude is watching my TP, says Joey. Ball Gene Hackman. Yeah, that was Gene Hackman. That was Gene Hackman. Oh, man. And it's hard to make a buck in this market, man. It really is. You have to start locking in those 1 ATR trades. ATR's, yeah, a 10-point trade. Consider yourself lucky in this market to get 10 points. All I heard was push, push, push. Oh, is that what it was, Benjamin? Yeah. I did trade 930. I did trade. But then I had to go because I had to take my girls to the doctors. Joey, you're out? Okay, good job, man. Hope you got some green on there. I don't blame you. Yeah, I pretty much did the same thing, Raul. I got $15 on that trade. Market choppy, yeah, choppy. Yeah, she's just waiting right now for that 2 o'clock news. We have 5 minutes or less. We have about 4 minutes left here before we get the news. Although the short right now looks really tempting. But for what? Yeah, 160 profit? That's more than I did. I did $15 hairs. This price action is trash, man. Yeah, that's way better than a red day. A lot of orders right now, right? Look, I'm looking at the DOM. There's a lot of orders. People are buying this area up and selling this area up. Selling it down, buying it up. That's what I should be saying. Does anyone here use the DOM to place trades? I heard people do that, like institutional traders do. They're not looking at charts like us, like a bunch of retards. They don't have to worry about the little Chinese guy. The market makers don't use charts, they use the DOM. Shorts still look good for you? Crazy here, guys. Yeah, 2 p.m. session is going to be good. After 3, I'm not sure how market's going to be, but got to make our money now, guys. It's 2 p.m. Let's see what the Fed minutes news will do. Fed minutes, several participants said the Fed funds rate may not be far from its neutral rate. So they may not be cutting that much. They may not be cutting that much. Let me repeat that. Several participants said the Fed funds rate may not be far above its neutral rate. All participants viewed it as appropriate to maintain the Fed funds rate at the current price target. Ooh, that's not so good for the market. We're expecting some dumps here. They hate Trump, don't they? They absolutely despise Trump with a passion. That's why they're doing that. Because they hate him. Papa Powell doesn't like Trump after he's been so mean to him. This thing's going to dump, guys. Probably go up first and then dump. So be careful. We just got the news. Watch out for the head fake, okay? We got a lot of imbalances up here. I feel like she may come up here and then come down. Watch it. I'll start watching this price action here. You guys still there? Hello? Hello? Everyone's just anticipating here, saying, what's going to happen? What's going to happen? It's like when you go to school on your birthday and you're expecting birthday punches and you're kind of like looking around every corner, like, is someone going to punch me? Am I going to get beat up? Birthday punches? Don't tell me you guys didn't do that in Canada. Algos don't understand the message and are confused. Yeah. Powell needs to get booted out. Yeah, that's what they're trying to say. That's what Trump's been trying to say. So I guess that's why they're giving us these bad Fed minutes, looking like they may not want to cut rates. Oh man, this thing's gonna dump harder than you know what, guys. She may wait till 3 o'clock to dump it, but I think she's gonna dump it. At Patrick's Green pinches. What kind of price action is that? I don't know. I'm scared. Hold me. I'm scared. Which one is she gonna do first? Man, I got up this morning for this. Imagine. Send a bipolar vulture into therapy. NQ's mood swings could send a bipolar vulture into therapy. Remember, if you don't wear green, they will pinch. Oh no, I didn't know that. I never knew that. Is that a California thing? KD says yes, sir. I didn't know that, bro. I used to always celebrate St. Patrick's Day with my white friends because that's all I had, basically. Most of my friends were all white because I went to like a white high school. And we used to cut school and go to St. Patrick's Day parade in New York City. It used to be a lot of fun. I was Irish for the day. Happened every year in elementary school, said Laughter. Yeah, so the Fed's not seeing a weaker economy and saw inflation lower than the prior forecast. Yeah, they're not eager to cut rates. They really are not. Eager beavers. I don't understand how the Fed works because the Fed is the one that sets the rates. But the Feds are also the ones who are getting paid from the debt that they created out of thin air. So how is it legal or fair that the person who gives you the money gets to dictate the interest rate? Kind of sounds weird, right? Am I wrong in saying that? A lot of offers stacked above, so should grab them before coming down? Yeah, maybe. Yeah, some love would be nice, says Armana. Get some likes going. Maybe do a giveaway. We could do 100. I'm sure we can get 100 likes. We have 166 people here. For only 33 cents a day, you guys can support a Guatemalan guy on YouTube. No, I'm just kidding. You guys just hit the like. That's all you got to do. All right, she's getting stronger. She's getting much stronger. The power's starting to show. We got a good signal here. Bullish absorption, green candle. It's starting to show. But she's being weighed down. Feels like she's heavy. Looks like 2315 has 2315 has some liquidity. Longs here are looking pretty good. We're going to see if we can catch one. I was looking for a little bit deeper of a pullback here. $23.47 short, says Serial Trader. Okay. Yeah, market feels very strong. I missed my trade. Missed my long. Should have went long earlier. I don't know why I froze like that. I really don't know why I froze like that. I was waiting for a little pullback that never came. I was waiting for this candle to get completely recovered, but it didn't come. Hit the like button, says Raphael. Why do I keep listening to you? Who's that? Above? Bad trades only? I don't understand. Did you go long? Above? Did you go long? I don't know what you mean, because I was looking for the long here. Is that what you took? I think he's being sarcastic. I think he took the long. What's confusing to me is why the Fed are independent. Yeah, the Fed is definitely not federal. They're not part of the government. They're basically a bank, or a group of banks. They got together back in 1913 to figure out how they can take over the country. Yeah, how do you run a country without having control of the monetary policy? That's true. I think above is being sarcastic. I think above went long. I don't think he's trying to, because I don't think I took any bad trades here in the last 30 minutes. The short that I was in, I got out of it, and if you would have held it, you could have made some money on it if you would take some profits on it. But that was a bad entry for me, but that was just bad timing. I thought we were going to move, and we just chopped for half an hour. But this long that I just called here, I don't know if that's the one he's referring to. That was a decent one. I just said I missed it because I didn't take it myself. KD says the Fed must make long-term decisions for our economy. For example, controlling inflation, stabilizing the financial systems. Just close my long, said Zara. Politicians, on the other hand, may prioritize short-term gains for re-election purposes. That's for sure. Very nice break here, though. Very nice break here. I don't know why I didn't take that. This here was a perfect signal. Yeah, so we've got imbalances up here, big time. So I feel like the market wants to come up in here and then dump it. Fill in all these imbalances. Maybe not all of them, but some of them, you can see them in here. And then come on down to the price is right. Yeah, the Fed should be unbiased, right? The Fed should be unbiased. They shouldn't have any political affiliation. But do you feel like Jerome Powell is more on the... you think he's more on the Democratic side, or you think he's more on the Republican side? Because I think arguments could be made for both. He definitely does not. I don't think he's a big fan of Trump, even though I think Trump appointed him. Didn't Trump appoint him in his first, during his first presidency? He's neither, in my opinion, says Zenzen. Yeah, didn't Trump appoint him? Trump is like, I made you. I could destroy you. Is kind of what he's saying. No, he didn't. Yeah, he did, right? Mad Moxie. Why I say short? I haven't said short in a very long time. I haven't said short since back here. I said it's probably going to go up first and then come down because it's going to get everybody bullish, but it's going to end up coming down. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to sway you in that direction, but I never said go short now. No president, and plus, even if I did, you should never follow what a guy on YouTube says. No president doesn't point the Fed chair. Sounds like a question for Grok. Powell is blue. So he is? He nominated him, right? Trump appointed Powell? Yeah. I know Trump had something to do with Trump. Trump had something to do with Powell's position there at the Fed. So I think that's why he's kind of like gunning him so hard like he is, because he's like, I put you in this place. You better listen to me. Like we need to bring the debt down. Yeah. That's not how democracy works. But maybe we don't copy. Yeah. All right, looks like we're getting a little bit of turbulence here. Let's take out the momentum and see if it's drying up. Momentum, are you drying up? What are you doing? Yeah, it kind of does look like it's drying up a bit. You guys got a delta divergence? Because it looks like there may be one, or there should be one. Yeah, there is, right, Raul? Okay, there is a little delta divergence right now. Okay, cool. Team Crypto wants me to pull a fib. Dump is near, you think? You don't think she wants to go up a little more? I have a feeling she wants to go up a little higher. You want me to pull a fib from down here? Or do you want me to pull a fib from up there? We're at the 50 right now. No drop now. We don't need Tory's trend lines. Let me get rid of the first fib. You think we come up to the 618 golden pocket up here? Could be, could be. All right, let's take a quick look here what we're gonna see. D3 has a roll of dice trading strat. Not too effective, he said. 16. I still think she has a little more pump in her before coming down. I think she's just coming back to grab some liquidity before going higher. I think so. I do think she's going to end up rolling over with this news. But wow, it's really nothing burger today, huh? The 2 p.m. nothing burger. Here you go, guys. Served hot on a platter. It's going higher, says Team Crypto. You like 23.33 for a short? Well, we got that already, didn't we? Oh, no, not yet. We got 23.27. Well, that was bullish absorption. Anyone buying this dip here? Or are you guys just waiting? I think I'm gonna go to 40. All right, I bought the dip here. See if the dip won't stop dipping for us. Obviously, don't follow me on any trades, guys. That goes without saying. I am good at getting wrecked. I'm highly efficient at getting wrecked. BOS on the 10-minute break of structure. It's going higher. 16 crypto, 10 charts, 10-minute charts. I did TP at 230. I mean, you probably mean 30 up here. Gotcha. I don't want to fight the trend hard. Yes, short term. Yeah, I just want to take a short term one. I think I'm going to go get out at 39.40 here, or maybe like right here. We'll see if we can get it. Could be wrong, obviously. Jimmy want one more dip. Or maybe she has a 7-layer dip that she's going to put together for us. With guac and beans. She's the guacinator. You sold that pop following the plan. I think this might be a break-even trade. For me, maybe, right? I hope. We'll see. My analysis is that it will soon reverse trend and start downward journey for a week or more. Yeah, you're probably right. Think we go down here? Yeah, I think we go down. The guacinator. I personally just think she's going to clear up imbalances and then just give it up royally. That's what I'm thinking. What do I know? Sometimes that's the best thing to do, Zenzen. Sometimes your appointments and things you have end up saving you from a bad trading session. So we'll miss you, but yeah, you got to take care of business. Nice job, Hulk. Good job, Hulk. Hulkamaniac. have a feeling we might get a big red candle out of nowhere, man. Kind of have that feeling. You guys ever get that feeling? You get that feeling you can get a big red candle just out of nowhere? Keeps me up at night. Joey's out on his longs. Catch you tomorrow, D3. Bless you too, brother. No worries, Zen. Have fun. Call John Wick. Yeah, sometimes it happens. See, the thing is this. If she wants to effectively pull off this dump today, she has to get up to those mid 23, 40s, 50s, 60s fast. And then have everybody thinking longs, long into the close, and then dump it so fast. Have everyone get out of their positions as quickly as possible. Selection World says, look at the 5-minute bear flag. Mamma mia. I'm looking at the 5-minute Tory trend line. I don't know. Yeah, there is a bit of a bear flag going on right now, but I also see these imbalances. And for the market to work efficiently, it wants to clear up these imbalances first. That way it has no reason to come back for a while. Like the market makers, they started their dumping up here. They have orders that they have to come back and pick up from earlier. Grab all of that, come back down and do what they got to do. Again, the right way, maybe? Who knows? I don't know. What do I know? I'll probably get stopped out. That's as much as I know. You know what they say, but if you don't stand for something, you fall for anything. That's what ICT taught me. Midline of the 15-minute orb is 23.21. Kind of where we're hanging out right now. Let's see if we can get this pop here into the 30s. That'd be nice. Took 21 ticks, Team Crypto. Nice job, brother. Yeah, she doesn't have to follow through. She definitely does not have to follow through. We do have bearish news, obviously, that we just got. Take your profits, guys. Do not do what I'm doing. I'm holding for a level that I think is logical for me, but it doesn't have to be logical for you. The momentum is completely dried up from that move higher. Completely dried up. I was expecting obviously a little pullback here. That's why I haven't moved the break even, because that's her MO. She always comes back. If she didn't come back, she wouldn't be doing her job. Yeah, don't be greedy, guys and gals. Don't be me. Yeah, let's try to pump up the likes here. Looks like a double top. Yeah, it could be. Could be double topping before the popping. Rose out and break even. Wow, what beautiful price action after 2 o'clock. We're waiting for 2 o'clock to get some of that smooth price action, but right now it doesn't look like it. I used to be working on every second. Here comes the dump. Here comes the dump. Come on, Inky, for once, just do your job. I know what it is. The Chinese guy's watching me. She does look kind of double toppy, doesn't she? We're gonna get in a little lower here. She's gonna come and grab the liquidity from here before going higher, possibly. So we'll wait to get in lower here at this long. Compound is start small. No one to scale out one. Thank you, Team Crypto. Circle back to it. Looks like she wants to come back here and grab this liquidity here before going anywhere. If she wants to go higher. She could be fooling. At 230 right now. Mag 7 still not playing. What did you learn, Team Crypto, scaling in with micros? Do I know if TPT Pro accounts can be traded now that I passed FOMC? Yeah, I think it's only like 5 minutes before and 5 minutes after. Check their calendar on their website though. That works well for you? Oh, what did I just do? I just bought. I pressed the button by accident here. I accidentally pressed the button. That's funny. I might as well stay in it now then. Close it out. Looks like they're going to try to rip this thing back down here, but stair step it. I think they're stair stepping it. Momentum's completely dried up here. It might be starting. Order filled, yeah, CPR. How can I close a trade on trade day if I have any issues with NinjaTrader? How can I close a trade on trade day if I have any issues with NinjaTrader? I don't know, dude. I mean, can't you open up a second? What I used to do with MotiveWave, because MotiveWave used to give me issues sometimes too. That's rhythmic. I would have it open on my phone also, so that way if I had issues on NinjaTrader, I can close it on my phone. Tradeavy's been buggy for the last 2 weeks, right? Yeah, I heard about that. So we're moving up. There you go. You guys got some to the moon, says Laughter. Man, what is she doing here? It's terrible, terrible price action here. Pick something, girl. It's 2 o'clock. Did you hear the FOMC minutes came out? Do something now. Do something, baby. Somebody call Trump. Yeah. Hard to tell what they want to do here, guys. It really is. Because, to be honest, they could do anything. They could really push this thing higher here, clear up imbalances, or they could just drag it sideways to the end of the day. Just taking everybody's stop losses because they know that everybody is trying to see what's going to happen here and try to capitalize on some of the price movements, but the prices aren't really moving the way that you would think. How will markets move when Trump will no longer be the president? I don't know. I mean, the way they moved back in 2024, probably like that. All right, let's see if we can get this little push here. A lot of failed attempts to go higher here. Very weak. Very anemic moves. Very weak. Slow like Biden, yeah. Ooh, come on, girl. What are you doing? You're killing me here. Zero follow through. Welcome to the channel, Papu FF Nick. Thanks for subscribing, brother. Oh, we're starting to get a little bit of signs of life here. Maybe the market's not completely dead yet. Who knows if it'll last, though. Team Crypto says volatility pays as long as you're disciplined. That's true. It's gonna be weird next year without Powell, says R. Papa Powell's going somewhere? You think he's gonna? Yeah, this is last. This is his last year. I wasn't aware. I know Trump wanted to replace him, but I don't know if he can. Or did he already hit his max term limit? Miss the purple tie, yeah, he always has the purple ties, right? This might actually end up giving us a big green candle here, guys. I feel like it's setting up for one. So I'm gonna move it back up to 40. I feel like it's gonna set up for a big green candle here. Second Apex payout just approved. Nice job, yo, Jim. Team Crypto says Powell is a Power Ranger. That's awesome, man. What kind of strategy do you use with them? Just a scalping base hit mentality? What's going on, gain weight? He says gain weight says it's going up, baby. I hope so. I feel like we're gonna get a big green candle. Just call me crazy. Just don't call me Shirley. Let's go. I think we're gonna behemoth candle. Pull out the trusty magnet here. I don't think I need to tell anyone, do not follow my trades. I think you guys know that. Don't follow, do not follow. No follow. No follow me to America. Man, I tell you, that magnet works every time. The magnet is clutch, baby. Come on, magnet. Come on, magnet, do your thing, baby. I like rocket ship emoji. Yeah, I saw that in here before. Let's see if we can pull it out. Did I miss it? I don't know. It's a syringe. I thought that was a... Where's the rocket? Oh, here we go. Do you need a ride? NQ, you need a ride? Jump on. Let's go. Come on, NQ. Come on. Get pumpy, baby. Get pumpy, NQ. Get pumpy, baby. We don't have that much time left. Get in the chopper. If you want to live. Come on, NQ. Don't be starting your nonsense here. Yeah, we're getting some major bearish divergences here. I don't know if this thing's actually going to go now. Might hop out of it. Yeah, I think it's going to go. It's not going to go. It's looking weak and anemic. Jump on, NQ. Jump on, baby. Ay, ay, ay. Don't you do it, girl. Don't you do it. Man, she sucks. She's too good for the rocket ship. Come on. Oh, it worked. It worked. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Funny, since the news we haven't done anything. Nothing at all. I know. Nothing at all. Just made a bunch of jokes about Powell. Right now we're using Project X here. This is for Tradeday. If you guys are interested in trading Tradeday too, Raj, then head on over to Traday's website and use code SmoothTrader. You can get a 50K right now with no activation fee for $59. Really cool. Flat top. Might be Tesla launch. Yeah, could be. Here's a rocket ship. Blocking though. Oh, the rocket ship's blocking. Oh, that's... I should put the rocket ship over here. The magnet over here. I think that'll work better. Salt bag, yeah. Yeah, I said it was bad. Today's even worse, Patrick. Yeah. Rough play with the ES. Close to 6,300. Houston, is there a problem? Yeah, a big candle. After they take my stop here, probably get a big candle to the upside. Yeah, I think we may end up having to put in another order in here. I think that's what she wants to do. I don't know. What does she want to do? What does she really want to do? Does anybody know? We've lost a lot of momentum. We've lost a lot of momentum here. There's really no momentum here. So looks like all she wanted to do is sweep those highs there. Sweep these highs, not even the other highs. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get out. There's really nothing happening here. Looks like it might start turning into a short here. If we get stopped out here, we'll regroup. It doesn't look like she has too much strength right now, but that's when she'll do the unthinkable and rip it. Why don't you come and grab this first before doing it though? That's what I'm thinking. She could come here, grab this. Her blood sacrifice here and then go higher. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I think I'm just gonna add one. I'm gonna scale in. If that doesn't work, then we'll get out of it. Please no wreck, says Team Crypto. I don't know, man. I really don't. She's bullish, but that could all change, obviously. If this trade doesn't work out, then we'll be all right. Let's call it a day with the trades. Call it a day if that's the case. Oh, she's stair-stepping down. I have no idea. No clue here. So Team Crypto's long, right or wrecked, he says. Believe in your trade? Yeah, I believe in it. I mean, I wouldn't say I believe in it 100%. All I believe in right now is the fact that she came up pretty high, but she did not go to grab those imbalances. She didn't go there. She didn't go high enough yet. She could be giving it up here at 3 p.m. She could start giving it up, which was my initial idea that she'll go higher before lower. We're still in a bullish uptrend, collecting a lot of buyer absorption in here. But we'll see. Hard to make out what she wants right now. No real direction. When in doubt, zoom out. Is there something going on in the 5-minute world? Yeah, it looks like a bull flag. There you go. Thank you, man. I feel so much better now. Bull flag, baby. Let's get bully with it. Good call on that. Which one was the platform you talked about? End of day drawdown, straight to funding? The one with end of day drawdown is Tradeify, 50K growth. They have one right now for $69 if you use the 50% coupon, and they also have straight to funded as well. If we continue going lower here, then it's a trap. See if we can take one off up here, and then we'll leave one. Yeah, I guess. Do we want to do that? Come on, knock it off. Go. Don't you see the rocket ship? Don't you see the magnet? Come on, NQ. What else do you want from me? What else do you want from me, girl? Come on. You've been so mean today. Use our matrix, Greg. Here, I'm gonna put this matrix for you. You could figure it out on your own. I'm gonna give you the matrix right here. The matrix. While there we go, baby. Hit that matrix, baby. You can see the matrix. Play around with it yourself. Go ahead and use it, Greg. Every day it's the same crappy PA in this market. I know it's been really bad ever since those the days of the early tariffs, man. KW says, just zoom out to the beginning of time and the market has only gone up. I agree. Maybe we should always be in longs, perma longs. That's why Mo does so good. Because Mo only goes long. Ooh, what an entry. My entry's fire, baby. This is the rocket ship. Let's go. Hop on. Hop on, Bryce. I don't know. We'll just zoom out to the beginning of time, guys. What is up with this price action? Boys and girls, ladies and gents, the market has officially died and gone to NQ heaven. Take less trades and sign off early. That's a good idea. Don't give your money back to the market. No, I have a lot of accounts. If we close green on this account here, which I think we will, I think we can get to 2340. I have a lot of different accounts that we could trade if I see something, but more than likely, I'm not going to force any trades, especially after 3 o'clock. After 3 o'clock, the market gets really ugly. Yeah, for sure. Finally, I should have taken early profits here, but the magnet seemed to finally be kicking in. Let's go. Good job, Team Crypto. It's ugly now, says Villa Capital. Yeah. I hope she doesn't start doing this thing where she keeps taking highs and then coming back. Taking highs and coming back. Like, just go already. Just get it over with. Put all the bears out of their misery. Because all the bears are thinking right now down because of the news. I know she wants to do the opposite. Well, not that I know, but I think she wants to do the opposite, just to screw with everyone, and then come in, dump it on everybody's head. Especially since I have the magnet and the rocket ship. Oh, we got almost 200 people here and only 75 likes. Shame on you guys. Shame on you. Come on, guys. You don't want a free account? 50K eval? Let's go. Let's get the likes in. We can get 25 likes right now. I know we can. Can I tell you what I'm doing here? Just playing around, playing games. So I'm waiting for the NQ to get up to this level up here. So I'm waiting for the Nasdaq to come up to the golden pocket. The golden pocket right now sits at 23.40 and 23.45. So I'm waiting for a tap of that so we can get out of our trade and book a profit for the day, which would be a very nice thing to do. We also have imbalances up here. So this area here contains a lot of what are called imbalances. If you see, now that I'm turning on my footprint chart, you'll see that there are imbalances here that we took care of, and there are some imbalances right dead smack in the center of my golden pocket. So that's why I'm holding off for this magical land of the golden pocket. And when we get there, then I'll take my profits and we'll reassess the whole market at that point. And that's all, folks. And we look like we're putting in a bull flag within a bull flag. Like, look at this. Bull flag here. Bull flag here, maybe? I don't know. What do I know? What's up, Bielka? How you doing? How'd you do today, Bielka? Rigoberto says, I liked. So annoying, OMG. Trade day challenge by far the most annoying. Yeah, 7 days. Yeah, 7 days is pretty crucial. But after that, you can take profits day one. 5 more likes and we'll have our giveaway, guys. Good call on that. We could close at 59. Oh, she's going. Excuse me, miss. What's your name? You come here often? Come on, baby. Seems like the magnet's working, guys. I don't know. Is the magnet working or is it just me? Let's go. Let's go. Finally, we got a wiener. Oh, really bad day for you, Bielka? I'm sorry to hear that, sweetie. That sucks. Took my 40 ticks and out, says Team Crypto. Good job, brother. If you think 7 days is a long time, you should see how long it is for a real prop firm like SMB. Wow, that's crazy. You're right about that. 3 to 6 months, says Hermana. Holy smokes. I'll take the 7 days any day. Not that it's long, it's just that I suck at trading. That's all. That's all it is. I mean, it could be a day and it'd be too long for me. Can you just give me free money? That's all I need. Just give me the free money. Do I really even have to trade? How can I just YOLO? One trade? I'm trading on a prop firm account right now. The prop firm is, I gotta move the magnetismo. The prop firm I'm trading right now is Tradeday. They're running a special right now for only $59. You get a 50K eval with the activation fee included. Who would have thunk? You can't see the ATM. Some people think it's better to see the ATM and the money instead of the ticks. You get used to it. Come on, you gotta stop playing with me right here. Stop playing with me, NQ. Seriously, stop playing with me. Stop playing, NQ. NQ, stop playing. NQ, stop playing with me. Golden pocket, baby. Golden pocket, baby. Come on. All right, I'm taking it. I'm taking her because she has been known to miss me by a tick and then reverse to 700 points. We close in green, $72 in the green, guys. Look at that. They want you to trade and not gamble. Yeah, Hermana says Tradeday wants you to trade, not gamble. Because they make money when you win. Yeah, it's a great, back in the green says Mo. Yeah, I know, man. At least for that one. If you don't make money in the last 15 minutes, stop, rethink your strategy. Very good. That is a very good idea. Gain weight, that's a great idea. Time for S Hort, says Khan. 200 people in the live. Okay, let's see if we can get 100 likes. One more like, guys. Is it possible to get one more like? How do you look at the 50K? What do you mean? All you got to do is this. Go to the prop firm matrix. It looks like this. Prop firm matrix looks like this. Go to all the 50Ks. All the 50Ks for each prop firm. $50K Tradeday trailing. Tradeify is the cheapest, is actually the end of day 50K, believe it or not. So when you look at this, you see the total cost, $59 for trade day, $69 for Tradeify, $102 for Take Profit Trader. Bulenox is $163, Apex is $177. Does that make sense? It don't let me in my iPad? Okay. Yeah, well, what do you want to look at? Do you want to look at 50Ks or do you want to look at something else? $100 likes? Yeah, we'll do the giveaway. Hermana, you'll take care of the giveaway? Thank you. Hermana's going to set up the giveaway right now. I'm always lurking. Gain weight? Oh, what's up, man? Thanks, gain weight. Appreciate it. Yeah, and some people actually would want to even give the Tradeify end of day instead of trailing. Take Profit has also end of day trailing. But with Tradeify right now, if you go with a 25K straight to funded, it's actually cheaper than Apex 50K. Look at that. Tradeify's 25K straight to fund is 174. Apex is 177. So, I mean, you can only trade one mini on it or 10 micros, but I don't know if too many people that trade more than that. With Apex, obviously, you can trade 10 minis. So, you know, depends on what your style is. It depends. If you guys want access to this, I posted it down here in the Discord a bunch of times, and it's also being posted every 15 minutes for you guys to take advantage of. Just make a copy and go up here to where it says File and go to Make a Copy. And then once you make that copy, you can move it around. Okay? You can change it up. Everything you need to know about each prop firm is here. All the coupon codes are here, and all the links to the prop firms are here as well. That's funny. She missed me by a literal tick. That was hilarious. Now she's coming back up a little higher, looks like maybe. But get ready for the dump at 3 o'clock. It's 3 o'clock now. Let's see if they start this dump. Armana, how long are you giving everybody? 10 minutes? 15 minutes? 15 minutes is what I usually give people. $15 minutes, okay. All right, let me show you guys how to get your hands on that 50K eval. So all you have to do is go to the announcement section. All right, so here on Discord, make sure you go to Discord. The link is pinned here in the chat, right? So link is pinned in the chat. That's all you got to remember. The link is right here. Go to our Discord, pick a role, just pick a member. You won't have to pay to become a member. It's just pick a member. Pick the member status. And then once you do go down to announcements, under announcements, you're going to see giveaways. And in the giveaway section, you're going to see this little announcement. Hit the party favor icon right here. Once you hit that party favor icon, you're automatically entered into the drawing for the 50K eval with Bulenox. Okay? Very simple to do. Very simple to do. That's it. Okay? Don't get much simpler than that. I am going to start making it harder for you guys because it's just getting too easy. All right, let's get back to the charts. What's gold doing? Because gold was ripping earlier. Did gold ever come down? Give us a couple drops. A little back and forth in there. Looks like the market may want to start giving it up now. What do you guys think? Or is she going to pump it to the close? I'm looking at the Renkos and still no signs of pullback, but regular candles here do show a little bit of oh, she went right to 41. Look at that. That's crazy. So right to our level. After all that drama. What's up, Hasuni? We getting short, brother, or what? Oh, where can you get the Excel table? It's here. I pinned it in the chat a bunch of times. Or I put it in the chat a bunch of times. But I'll give it to you again. It says use our prop firm matrix. Yeah, I'll post it for you again. Use our prop firm matrix to find the best deals. Right there. Indian Burn is 1 micro short. That's an amazing name. That is the amazing name of the day. You needed $30, now you need $167 to pass your eval? Let's go short and walk away. That's what I would do. No, it's not in the Discord. I can put it in the Discord, but it keeps popping up here on the feed every 15 minutes. It pops up here in the feed. It says use our prop matrix to find the best deals, and then the URL is right there. So if you guys are ever in doubt, go ahead and use it. Oh, you've been getting wrecked today, Hasoon? I'm sorry to hear that, brother. You might get the short now, though. Serial Trader, you got to go over to the Discord. In the Discord, go to announcement section. Under announcements, you're going to see giveaways. Yeah, power hour dump is not out of the question. Khan says he's short. Well, if Khan is short, let me fire up the... No. All right, let's look at this logically. What is she reaching for? What damage has she done already? So she cleaned up these imbalances already. They're cleaned up. All right, let's take this out of here. Too many lines. Tori would agree. Too many trend lines. All right. Does she want to come back up higher? Not necessarily, right? She could give it up now and close close to the daily, where the market actually did absolutely nothing. So I am not opposed to a trade like that. I'm gonna wait for the Renkos to give me an idea. Most of the prop firms restrict BRIC countries. Really? I didn't know that. Why is that? Chargebacks? High percentage of chargebacks? What's the indicator for these candles? What's up, XRP Hank? It's down below in the description of this video. You'll see it. It's called My Indicators and My Strategies. There's two of them. One turns your candles green and pink for high volume, and blue for medium volume, and transparent for medium volume to the downside. Like, let me see if I can find a transparent candle in here somewhere. Here's a transparent candle right here. That's medium volume. So it measures volume. And then my yellow and purple candles, those are absorption candles. That I use a CVD indicator. C like Charlie Victor Delta. CVD indicator. That helps me measure the delta. I think we might be going down soon, guys. I think we might be going downside. You like the volume candles for sure? Yeah, you can check them out. The links for them are down below in the description. Yeah, if we break the 21 here, I'm especially going to be thinking dumpy. Where's your stop, Con? Do I know the phonetic alphabet? You're a pilot? Oh, Charlie, Victor Delta. Actually, I don't. I heard it on the movie Airplane. I'm gonna wait here for a better confirmation of a short. Roger, Roger. 10-4, good buddy. Looks like we still got a lot of liquidity stacked above 45. And those are probably mostly all shorts. I mean, stop losses for shorts. Looks like those shorts are coming in. Surely you can't be serious. That's a good line. That's a great line. All right, we're seeing the market kind of melt off here. I really do think the short might be coming in very soon here. I mean, it's already started. Has already started. To see some liquidity up here. There's definitely liquidity up here. I don't know if it wants to give us one more pump to the upside. Looks like the short is coming in, guys. Got that VWAP sitting there at the VWAP sitting here at 992. $23K hit would be not out of the question. Do I mess with anchored VWAPs? Yeah, sometimes I do. They work like a charm sometimes, man. They work really well. Question is, do we have delta divergence there? Kinda do, kinda do. Is she getting kind of pumpy? She kinda is, kinda is. A lot of people expecting that short to come in. I don't know if it will. Right now she's looking kind of pumpy. This move here is nothing short of a pumpy combination. Looks like she still wants higher. You like to use the VWAP as TP1 because everyone has them on their charts? Do you like to enter here? There? Do you like to enter there? Yeah. Yeah, it's a long way down. To the VWAP is 992. It's a good, like, in this market, it's a good 40 points. It's a decent distance, but I think it's possible to get that move down on the close. Right now, she's still squeezing shorts here. I'm telling you, there's a lot of liquidity above 44. Above 41. That's where we made our last high. She's pushing lower now. Let's see if that's all the liquidity she needed. There was, like I said earlier, a little bit of liquidity up here. A whole lot up here. Maybe she'll use this to just... We don't have to get a dump at the end of the day here. This could happen after hours. It can happen tomorrow. You know, markets are tricky like that. Possible to run to all-time high. I think that's actually more probable because a lot of people are thinking a dump. We're Sniper. We need you. Sniper's on vacation, man. Give him a chance to rest. 22,961 entry challenge. You did. I get in. Why did I get in? Oh, 22,961. Why did I get in? You did good on that, Laughter. You went long on 22,961. I just shorted the 38.50. Okay. Good job. I don't know if it's going to work out right now, though, because the market looks like it may want to continue to grab those stops up here. There's a lot of stops up here. If you look at the heat map right now, there are a lot of stops up there. She's a scumbag. Careful, guys. Your stop loss is at 55. That's a great stop loss. We got a winner yet? Winner chicken dinner? Yeah, congratulations to the winner, Z Money. Just send me a DM on Discord, Z Money, and we'll be good to go. Looks like NQ's grabbing that that liquidity there at 41, 42. She's grabbing it. She's grabbing it. Anybody still staying in there short, or are you guys out of it? I know that Sol's up to 55. Anna, you won. Good job. Just send me a direct message on Discord and I'll get you that coupon code. She did go for it. She did the unthinkable. The unspeakable. She's going to all-time highs? Wow. I guess so. I guess she wants all-time highs again. That is crazy. Who'd have thunk? Looks like she wants them all-time highs, bro. She is like, oh, I'm out for blood. Out for blood. Stop.com? Yeah, she's looking like she wants to go for the all-time highs instead of going down. I would have thought that she was getting ready to dump it here at the close. Guess not. Guess we were fooled. Trickery. Imagine she just starts dumping it right now. That'd be hilarious. My magnet had a residual effect. Today's definitely a day where you take a couple of points and not be greedy. Yeah, that's a great idea. 15-minute inversion was pulling up. What do we do if she starts dumping? Just DM me on Discord, okay? Yes, a lot of offers were stacked. Didn't think they had the buy power to get it through. Easier was to slice through the bias. I'm gonna send you the coupon code right now. To use Z-Money. Congratulations. Thank you for being here with us. Appreciate you very much. KD says we need to change. Wow, what strength the market haveth. Even though we got bearish divergences here, the market still is very stubborn, very stubborn. Bearish divergence right there. We got a little tiny pullback, but it's just stubbornly strong right now. Stubbornly strong. Market's so tricky, says Tradeday. Preneurs leaving it alone. This is why people feel market makers target us. I got stopped out on my long and flipped, and then we're stopped out again. Oh, whoa, whoa. That's terrible. It's getting kind of late in the day now. I don't know if we're going to get that dump after all today. She may just end up closing at the highs and squeeze everybody. It's kind of seeming more likely. Just as bull is strong, so too is NQ. I typed that in a particular accent. Oh yeah, market, what are you doing? Give us a break. I don't know if she's gonna start putting in cliffy candles. There's a possibility she could. Let's see if we see cliffy long stockings today here. If I was to dump the market, I'd be setting up this kind of formation where you get everybody to go short, bunch of stops up here, come back up and grab it, make it look really strong on the way there, called the blow off top, come down, get one more pump to get everybody, scared, and then dump it. And that's what I would do if I was a market maker, but I'm not. So I'm probably wrong. So don't follow my analysis at all, because you will get wrecked. Your girlfriend will leave you, your boyfriend will leave you, your dog will run away, your taxes will come in that you owe much, much more. You might get an audit. ICT might come and throw you in the trunk of his car. So please do not follow me. Am I still down? No, I'm not down. I recovered my other account, and we're short on this one. I'm hoping we can hold to the 23K level here. We'll see. If we don't, we don't. This account here is a different one. This is the one that we got back to green. This is a different Tradeday account. So I'm hoping we get a Clifford, the big red dog here. If not, we lose $70 hairs. It's worth, to me, it's worth risking the $70 hairs to get a big old Cliffski here at the end, at the close. More Lester says down, down, down. Might need a new magnet. Might need a whole new magnet. You think we can have a... you think there's a dumpster fire in here that I can use? There might be a dumpster fire. I don't know if there's a dumpster fire. Let me see if there's a dumpster fire. Imagine if there was. Dumpster fire. Where are you? This would be interesting. Come on, baby. Guys, make sure you bank your trades, not like me. Make sure you bank your trades, okay? Make sure you take profits. Don't be like me. Take your actual profits. Do not trade like me. There's a wheelchair. That's the basket, yeah. Put that net at 973. I'll keep moving it down. I'm gonna go to break even here. I'm gonna give her a little bit of room to breathe. Cover the expenses there for the commissions. You know how the commissions will get you. This is a long shot, guys, because the market structure is still bullish. But I have an idea that she may want to close around the VWAP. I don't know why. Call me crazy. I just think she may want to close around the VWAP. I really think that news is going to do a number here, but I don't know. She could get rangy and choppy like she's been doing the last few days. This is a wastebasket or a basketball? One or the other. I think it's a wastebasket. Made a hammer of the candle. Maybe hammer the candle? We could try hammering the candle, right? You guys are too much. That's fine. I don't know. We'll see. Price always goes to your break even as soon as you touch it. Yeah, I know. Shouldn't have touched it. I jinxed myself. This is a new STD system. We're going to cover this in our module 5 of how to make the market go in your direction. We got to use the emojis, the correct emojis. If you don't use the right emojis, it's not going to work. So you make sure you guys pre-order the STD trading course that we'll be releasing pretty soon. Smooth Trader Dynamics, that is. Today is by far the worst day. I didn't blow anything and I'm green on all of the accounts, but man, this price action is horrible. Well, consider yourself lucky, Patrick. That's great. To be the worst day and you're still profitable on everything, that's amazing. You gotta teach me your secret. Is your secret taking profits? Because I've heard that some people do that. I don't know what that looks like though. I really don't know what that looks like. All I know is when I put like a $200 or $400 stop loss, it goes to it right away. But when I put a $200 or $400 take profit, it takes years and years, and sometimes it never comes. Come on, baby. Right in the basket. Right in the face. Right in the face. We're below the 21 now. We're starting to get below the 21. Let's see if we start getting some bearishness in here. More likely we're going to get a pop here right back up to my stop. Usually what happens. You want me to hit it? All right. You're here for the closing prayer? Means a lot to me. Yeah. Thank you, Marco. Did you say STD course? Yeah, it's called the STD course. Smooth Trader Dynamics. Bang, 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 bang. Take that, take that, take that, take that. Okay, it's working. It's working. Bang, 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 bang. Bonk, bonk, bonk. Yeah, I used the wrong sound effect. I don't know what's wrong with the name. Smooth Trader Dynamics. You don't like it? QQQ made a new high, but SPY didn't. Is there significance in that? It's called a smart money divergence. I don't play them. Some people do. Man, that Russell is ripping still. Look at that Russell, man. That's crazy. The ES is kind of just chopping sideways right now. The NQ is looking the weakest out of all of them. I don't know if the NQ is going to give it up here. She kind of is going down. I don't know if I trust the drop right now. Well, the RTY is starting to come down now. The Dow's still kind of going sideways. I don't know if I trust any of this. I don't know. I think she's playing with our emotions here. Bonk, 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 bonk. This is grueling, painful. Head and shoulders in progress. Yeah, I don't think it's coming down, man. I think it's going to come up again. I really don't. Why is it taking so long? It shouldn't take this long. If there really were that many aggressive sellers in the market, this thing would be going. But what do I know? I'm a noob. Oh, you can't get past the hammer. You can't get past the hammer. There's no way. Nope. Can't get past the hammer. It's hammer time, baby. Yeah, I think she's going to close at the high of days. I think she's going to close at the high. That's probably what's going to happen here. Well, at least our trade's protected. If we come back up, it wasn't meant to be. Just got to make sure we have the waist spin in the right place. In case it does come down. We want to catch it. Last 3 days have been tough price action? Absolutely. Yeah, I think it's done moving down too. Looks like it's just coming up for high of day again. I think the hammer's broken. At least we'll cover the commissions. Unless I get major slippage. On Project SlipX. Come on, baby. Come down. The hammer's here. Don't you see the hammer? Are you not scared of the hammer? I ain't scared of your hammer. I ain't scared of your hammer, fool. Alright, come on, man. Knock it off. Alright. Enough fun and games for now. Just come down. Alright, guess not. My hopes, dreams, and aspirations are gone. Yeah, who called that? Who said she's just gonna grab your stop loss and you moved it? That's sad. Saddest thing I've ever seen in my life. BTC new highs, really? Oh wow. Yeah, 110,800, huh? Yeah. Can't say I didn't see it coming. That is very nice. Good job, BTC. NQ just doing NQ things right now. Yeah, look at BTC though. Holy smokes. Ever since the announcement, 2 p.m., I love that news for some reason. I don't know why, but I love the news. This thing's going to keep going higher. It's not going to drop. What was the news? The Fed minutes at 2 p.m. It's just the Fed minutes. Yeah, now imagine. We had the clean price action leak on BTC has today. Short BTC now, says Marco. Short the all-time highs. You can't go wrong. You cannot go wrong short all-time highs, guys. Market can't go up forever. Famous last words. Khan thinks this should drop back into value. Are you talking about Bitcoin or NQ? Weird if it closes that value area high. Yeah, weirder things have happened. Yeah, there goes my short. Just when you think it couldn't come to get you, it comes to get you. Oh, you're in Kyiv? Andrew, what's up, Andrew? I didn't see your message there. Nice to see you here. Oh, there's my short. Did I miss it? Is it too late? You're right about me moving my. You're right about me moving my my stop. The minute I move my stop, it's like destined to go there. It's like, oh, we're gonna go get smooth stop. Let's go get it. Yeah, I'm not gonna fall for this price action at 3:43 in the afternoon. We all know what it's gonna do. We all know what she's gonna do. She's gonna chop for the next 10 minutes and then give a candle in a direction that you never imagined. They'll find a direction to screw you. Believe me. Market makers watching the stream. Yeah, it's the little Chinese guy. I told you guys, the Chinese guy's real. He's real. Yeah, to me it looks like they're gonna want to close at the highs. They can't get past. They can't get past. Really, they really can't get past the 21. They've been getting stuck at this 21 all afternoon. Ever since 2 p.m. since the news came out, it's pretty much riding the 21. It's ranging at your entry as if your entry was support. Are you short? You're short, right? SP Soul? Or are you long? I think you were short, right? Sorry, guys. I get sleepy this time of day. Still short, 38.50. So your entry was right here. Yeah. Yeah, your stop was 55, right? I think you said. So tempting to go short, but no, ain't gonna do it. Let's look at that. Man, this thing is bullish, man. Look at this thing. On the 15-minute, look at it. This is crazy. Holy smokes, Batman. This thing is crazy strong. I didn't even notice this. This morning we had that crazy pump at the open. Gave her right back. And then we've been kind of grinding higher since. I guess. It is what it is. I personally could have traded a little better right here after I got back from my daughter's appointment at 12-ish. I could have traded a little better here. I should have went long instead of looking for the shorts, but that's just my personal assessment on my trading today. Bonkers. You're waiting for a long entry at 35? Yeah, probably. It's probably gonna close at the higher day. See, the funny thing is if people are starting to get bullish now, it'll probably drop. Sam B, tell yourself, are you the only one thinking bullish right now? The open messed you up, Hank? Went straight up? Wow. NQ turning GJ? What does that mean? Double top and breaks says sounds like relaxation. Temporary bullish. MOC coming right up, baby. 20 seconds. Let's see what she gives us. Should I full pour short, Mo? Let the retardation begin. 3, 2, 1. Lift off. Stopped you out at 55. Sellers are absorbing now. Now we get that straight down candle, maybe? More than likely she'll just chop. Careful, guys. She doesn't have to do anything. She doesn't have to go straight down. More likely to see a chop than anything else. Not a terrible trading day for me. One wasn't obviously one of the best. Lost one eval, up on 3, about 400 bucks on each one. And then we've got the trade day that we closed, one in slight profits and the other one down 200 bucks. Don't think I have an opportunity for that one to see green, but I'll take it, man. We'll take it. We'll take it. Came up to previous week's close. Is that what it did? Man. That candle would have effed me both ways. It did, right? Wasn't it nasty? That thing, you didn't even see, your eyes weren't even quick enough to see the price action. It literally went, I think, down first. I think it went down and then up. It did one of, and then come. And then right back down, like she just wanted to get everybody. She said, no one will be immune. Not a single person will be saved from my wickedness. So we either end the day at the VWAP or end the day at the highs. I mean, not the high of day, but just like trying to go higher. That's what she said. Nice job, Sambi. Sambi consistently cashing in. I don't think there's any good trading left for the rest of the day here, because sometimes here up is down and down is up. Bitcoin is inches away from all-time high. That's probably more interesting than what we're doing right now. Let's probably take a look at that. Bitcoin, where are you going? All-time highs. Yeah, look at that. All-time highs are right there. All-time highs are 112.11. Let's see if you can break. Can you break? BTC, what you gonna do, girl? I mean, come on, guys. All you had to do was buy it down here and hold it to the all-time high. Why didn't you guys just do that? Everybody knows you buy the dips. I actually did buy the dip. I got stopped out here. I got stopped out over here somewhere, I think. NQ's up to its old hijinks again. All right, guys, I think we're good here. Pernod says, I've done great all day. The moment I put her funded into action, I got down 500 more. I know, that's usually the way it is, man. The hindsight keyboard traders are the best. I'm the best hindsight trader you've ever met. We're about to break, guys. We're about to break 112. About to break 112. Hermana bought BTC at 16K and sold it at 17. I'm kidding. All right, let's say our prayer here, guys. Father God, we come to you, Father, in Jesus' name. We thank you for this opportunity to trade today. We thank you for the opportunity, Father, to learn from our mistakes, Father, and we also thank you for allowing us to provide for our families. Lord, we ask you for forgiveness. We ask you for forgiveness like we do every day, Lord, to forgive our sins and help us turn away from sin, not only today, Father, but every day going forward for the rest of our lives, Lord. Father, we ask you that any trader in this stream that's with us today, Father, anybody here, any person that needs you, Father, who has been with you and has strayed away or has never met you, Father, we ask in Jesus' name for you to manifest yourself in their lives, Father. We also ask you, Father, for anybody here that needs prayer for their health or for their well-being mentally, Father, we ask you to be there for them and cure them of any sickness or illness that might be afflicting them or their family, Lord. We thank you, Father, for the spouses that you've given these people who have allowed them to take trading as a career, Lord. We thank you for them being in their lives, for them supporting either whether it's mentally or financially, Father. We thank you for that partner that the person has. Lord, we also ask you in Jesus' name, Father, for peace throughout the world, Father, with so many things happening. We ask you for peace throughout all of the countries in the world, Father, who are right now at ends with each other. We ask you for peace for those people, those children, and those families, Father. Lord, we thank you so much for all the blessings we have in our life, the ones that we consciously thank you for and the ones that we don't consciously thank you for, Father. The air that we breathe, Father. The water we drink, Lord. Everything we have that we take for granted every day that we could not live without, Father, we thank you. Father, we ask you to keep us safe until we come back tomorrow. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen. Thank you, guys. Take care. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hasta la vista, guys.